Daddy is fixing the bird play area. So I brought them over here so they wouldn't be near the drill. Hey, Bill? What's Daddy doing? Let's go see what's Daddy doing. What's Daddy doing? Fixing the bird here. Oh, what's he doing, guys? Oh my God. What are they doing? Oh, they're gonna put up a thing because these silly birds, I gave them a new stand and they have this old rope thing on the side of the wall, and what do? They stand on the rope like squished, pushing themselves like this against the wall. And so now we're gonna hang a thing up so that they can be higher, because that's all they want to do is be higher because they're birds. So you can't fight it. Right, guys? And you would think, I do have 2 shoulders. See, empty shoulder. 3 birds on 1 shoulder. They don't like to be separated. They're best buddies. They argue a lot, but it's more like married couple nitpicking stuff. Right? Who's a good birdies? Look how quiet they are. They've been so quiet today. 2 good birdies. 2 good birds. The guys. It's the guys. Look, my eyes are almost the same color as the guys. Almost the same color as Grouchy's face. Right, Grouchy? Huh? Hi there, sweetie. Hi, sweetheart. Can I give you squitchies? Squitchy, 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 squitch. Oh, look, he fluffed for me. Squitchy, 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 squitch. Huh? Can I give you squitchies? What you doing, Grouchy? Ooh, Nibbit's picking the screen. Okay, Daddy. You got it? Oh, I see a hook up there. I see something. He's getting the thing ready. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, you need a carabiner. So it's a little lower. I want them to be able to get from the plaything to it. So it's got to be like maybe a little lower. So, come on guys, let's get the carabiner. Let's go. Oh my gosh, the cat. Come on, Stinky. Come on. You coming in? Wait, when he does this. You coming in? Oh good, he decided he's coming in. Oh, it's only 5 degrees colder in here already. Where's the carabiner? Let's find the carabiner! Where is it? I found it. Oh my gosh! Okay. Carabiner. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. They're so good, aren't they? They just stay right there. Whee! There they go! Where are we going, guys? Oh, what's going on? What you got, Daddy? Here. You can just put it on the bottom part. You can just put it on the bottom hook part if you want, or the top. Ooh, who's that over there? Ooh, I see a little orange eye back there. An orange little beak. Look at you guys. Could you be any closer? Are you having a meeting? They're having a meeting. Probably trying to decide how to eat my earrings without me noticing, something like that, because they love to eat earrings. Well, at least Niblet does. He's a terrible earring eater. I'm down to like 5 pairs of earrings. I used to have like 150 pairs. I'm not even kidding you. Look at that. It's beautiful. Okay, now let's put them up there. Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Who wants to go up there? Niblet says, yeah. Yeah, maybe I'll go up there. Archie says, okay, maybe. Take your time. Don't let me rush you. Go ahead. Come on, Grouch, you want to go up? You want to go up, Grouch? Archie's not so sure. Oh, he's going. He's a-going. All right. Here comes the plaything. Here it comes. This is great because it catches all the mess. It's got a big old bucket. All that stuff is the millet that they ate today. They love that millet. What do you think, guys? Huh? Oh, what's up with that? Now you don't have to stand on the rope on the wall anymore. And there's toys and bells. And hopefully they don't climb up that thing up there. I bet they will. You think they'll climb up the chain? Mm-hmm. Oh my God, I hope not. Oh, what are you doing, guys? What's Billy doing? Is Billy hiding? Hey, Billy. What you doing? Oh, what's that? Oh, what's the whole setup look like? Let's see, my finger's in the way. Oh, we got the whole setup. See, it goes to the floor. Goes all the way up. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Okay, guys, say bye.